In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix high ping here in Fortnite. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. What you're going to want to do is go into your settings by clicking on your profile picture and then selecting the little settings here just like so. And first things first, go ahead and navigate into your game tag. The first thing you're going to want to adjust is your matchmaking region. Just make sure that you select the region that shows the lowest MS number. For me, that's going to be in a central. Just keep in mind, changing this is not going to affect you mid-match. You do have to enter a new game because matchmaking is region based. The lobby that you might just be in might be, say, Oceania. But if you load into a new game after making sure your matchmaking region is correct, it's going to be way lower. Moving on to the second method to, fix high ping, what you're going to want to do if you are using Wi-Fi is switch to a wired internet connection if available. Using Ethernet does drastically improve the connection stability and it's going to lower your ping as well. Obviously, wireless can fluctuate, but wired is where it does stay solid. If your router is too far away to use Ethernet directly, you can use a power line adapter. Just search power line adapter online. You just plug one device near your router and connect it with Ethernet. And then the adapter is going to plug into a wall socket near your console or PC with another Ethernet cable. It's going to give you a nearly wired connection, even across multiple rooms or floors. But that is it. Those two steps are going to fix your high ping instantly. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.